Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic row level security in Power BI. So let's get started. The row level security is one of the security measures in the Power BI that helps us to protect sensitive data and prevent unauthorized access. It is useful in helping to comply with data privacy regulations and policies. Let's see how we can implement this dynamic row level security using our sample data. Now, in our data set in the table view, we do have the account manager, Abiola and Enoch. And of course, we have the account manager ID 1 and 2. So these are the email address of the two account manager. I'm going to come to the transactions table. We can see the order ID, order date, ship date, customer name, account manager ID, and so on and so forth. Now, I'm going to come to the model view, and of course, we have what's called a one-to-many relationship. We can see one-to-many relationship across the region and the fact table. And of course, we have the one-to-many relationship and then one-to-many relationship. Let's come to the report view. Now, in the report view, we have a simple report. This is actually showing the account manager, the total sales, and the email address. In this, we have the total sales by year clustered column visualization. And of course, we have the total sales by year table. And of course, we have the slicer. I'm going to click on Enoch in the slicer, and there we go. So we can see the report for Enoch account manager. So we want to invoke the dynamic row level so that Enoch is able to see only the reports that is associated to him. I'm going to come to the modeling tab and click on manage rows. Now, because we actually want to create a dynamic row level, so I'm going to click on new and I'm going to rename, let's call this one user. Click enter. So now the email address column is in the account managers table. So I'm going to click on account manager and then switch to DAX editor. So inside the square bracket, I'm going to call the email address and check whether it is equal to the user principal name DAX function. So square bracket email equal to user principal name. So that's done. Just go ahead and click on save. And there we go, successfully applied rows changing. So just go ahead and close this window for now. So after we've done that, I'm going to clear the filter from this Enoch, and then I'm going to come to the home tab and publish the reports. So just go ahead and save, and then I'm going to publish into my workspace. So this is fine, double click. There we go, success. So we can actually open the rls.new.pbix and see the report. All right, so this is the report published to the Power BI service, and of course it is under my workspace. So what I'm going to do is to click on this horizontal ellipsis, and I want to see related content, and then I can see the semantic models. So click on this horizontal ellipsis again, and then I want to go to security, and in the security we can see we have 0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add Enoch into this particular members. So click on Enoch and then click on add, and of course click on save, and there we go. So we have the user, one user that is already added. So what I'm going to do is go back to my workspace, and then I'm going to search for that particular report, RLS new. So I'm going to click on this share, and I can actually type the name. I want to share the report with Enoch. So type in the email address, Enoch, and then click on it. And of course, we want to send a notification to the person. So click on send. So you can see link to RLS new sent. So I'm going to head over to my Google Chrome. And of course, I have the email address of Enoch. Oh, there you go. So you can see Abiola has shared this Power BI report with you. So just go ahead and click on open this report. Now let's see the moment of truth. And there we go. So we can see that Enoch is able to only see the report that is associated to him. So this is now showing Enoch And of course, we can see in the slicer, we only have Enoch. And of course, these are the total sales by year, the total sales by year for the clustered column charts. We can even go ahead and investigate. Now, let's just take this number, the total sales for the central region, which is 19,910,000. When I come to the Power BI report and click on, got it. And let's filter for Enoch. So there you can see we have the same result. So this is basically how we can create a dynamic row level security in Power BI. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, share with your friends, like. Thank you and bye for now. Cheers.